What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today's mission in the rain is my brother's Jeep. I'm going to change out the fenders like I have on Mud Trail. They arrived the other day. I just checked them out. All the parts are here. Everything's good. However, the rain is not going to cooperate. In New York City today, it is raining. Ridiculous wind gust of like 25 miles an hour. He's on his way over. I'm gonna try to get some footage for you guys. I already have him on Mud Trail. I did some videos when I did mine. I'm gonna try to get some footage for you guys, but as you can see, it is raining. It's not the day to do it, but it's gotta get done today. Because after today, he's got stuff to do on the next couple weekends, and then it's actually really getting cold here. So I will try to get some video for you. Like I said, it's raining, it's shitty, but it is not stopping us. A little something for you guys. Alright, so he's on the way. I'm getting the tools set up, and hopefully I can get you guys some footage. Alright, I'll get back to you in a while. As you guys can see, the wind. Today's not even a day to be outside. Nevertheless, changing out fenders on the Jeep. But hardcore today. Hardcore. Here he comes. He does not know what he's in for. Getting rid of those stock fenders. Big decisions. Do we do it to keep cover under a tree and have a limb fall on us? Or do we do it out in the open with no coverage? Yeah, just grab a corner and pull, son. Rip it like a fork. There you go. That's how easy the backs come off. Fucking
Friend of those same?
garbage bullshit.
Oh, that's
yeah, son, you gotta
Kentucky mud, son.
You gotta clean that up too, even though it's raining.
How's this one come off? Tears off?
Yep. Alright, so the backs are on. Almost on. We just gotta do the self-tapping screws. So if you guys are doing this, the backs are simple. Two 13 millimeters up top. And then there's 5 self-tappers. There's 1, 2, 3, and then 2 more at the bottom here. Alright? So we're just getting the drill out, throw these self-tappers. All the hardware comes in the kit. You're gonna have 10 of these. Obviously 5 for each side. We are gonna keep the inner liners for now. Although he's ordering other inner liners, but we're not gonna cut the inner liners today due to the weather. That'll be a project for an absolute other day. But as you can see, we're in rain gear. High wind, shitty weather. Here you go, son. Let YouTube watch you drill into your Jeep. That's your job. You already made one of my cigars get wet. To your left, kid, to your left. You drilling the wrong hole, son. No wonder why you divorced a few times. Twice, son. There you go. Screw number 2. And guys, it's the same for the other side. Same exact setup. 2 13 millimeters. Number 3. Beautiful. And then 2 down here. Where? There's 1. Right all the way down there. You'll see them. They're right next to each other. Parallel right there. Right there.
Oh, shit.
Right there, son.
That's what happens when you don't put your glasses on.
And there goes number 5. And that's it for the back. We're gonna go drill the other side now. That is one complete one. The backs take, I don't know, took about 15 minutes to put in, if that. So I'm not gonna film the other side. It's the same procedure. We'll get back to you when we get to the front. So moving on to the front, before you tear it off, there's 6 10 millimeters that you have to take out. I already took them out. Just look around, you'll see them. The only one that's hidden is that baby up there. You just gotta feel for it. So make sure you take out 6 bolts. Make sure you disconnect this light like we did. Here's the harness. We'll take the whole wire out in a little while. Just reach up under here and disconnect it. And son, go rip that shit off. There you go. Look how easy. That's it, kid. Treat it nice, kid. Where you throwing that shit? Make sure you clean the area. When your Jeep is soaking wet from the rain, it makes it easier. And again, we're gonna save this inner liner, and we're gonna use it for now. Which inner liners you thinking about?
I want the XRCs.
The XRCs, right, from smittybilt?
Can't find them.
They're still out of stock?
Nobody's carrying them.
All right, and follow your wiring harness now that you can see and unplug that wire.
Yes, sir.
So that harness, guys, is right here. As soon as you rip it off,
I couldn't see to get
yeah, you
this
just
off.
gotta pinch it.
Where?
Son, you find it. And then I'm gonna go get the other fender and the nuts and bolts, and we'll be right back. Alright, guys, one front is done, passenger front. There's the old one, stock. And this is like 13 millimeters. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There's your 8. The only ones that are really a little bit of a bitch are these two. There's no room behind to get your fingers in there. You can get a wrench in there. We wound up taping the nut onto the 13 millimeter open end, and it was simple. So again, we all throw fender flares in the fender flares eventually, but not today. You can see the rain. Today is not a day for that. So here's the comparison to the stock. So that's it. One more to go. All right, guys. So we are done. Whole install about an hour. Tremendous difference. It would have been a lot probably easier if it wasn't so windy and wet. So enjoy your fenders, kid.
Mike will be proud of
Yeah, tell Mike you be
Mike, you be proud, Mike. And look at the weather we did it in.
As Mike said, we're hardcore. But yeah, no, it looks a tremendous difference. We saved the inner liners for a drier day. And we'll work on inner liners probably next weekend. But came out awesome. Looks really good. Again, approximately an hour. Might have went a little quicker if it was drier. What are you looking for? We tightened everything. And that's it, guys. The smittybilt XRC fenders. Hopefully this video kind of helped somebody. I know it wasn't a great install video, but it's pouring. So like, share, subscribe, hit that thumbs up button. Until the next one.